I'm just testing some things right now. Okay, cool. My bitrate is nothing. How interesting. I wonder if I'm live right now. I am live. Why does it say my average bitrate is too high? Is this an issue for people? No, it looks like I'm fine. OBS is fine. Yeah. No, this is interesting. Well, hey guys. Today I am going to be Today I am going to be working on the app. I'm gonna pull up chat real quick. Agree. Cool. Now that I'm in chat, just gonna give people a few seconds to pop in. And we'll get going. If anybody wants to pop me some questions, I can answer it. Thank you. All right. All right, cool. Well, let's get crack-a-lackin'. So today we're going to be working on a little bit of backend, a little bit of front end. I don't really know how much I'm going to be getting done. I feel like I'm only going to be streaming for like 30, 40 minutes. I also have no idea what the like AUP policy is for streaming music, so I'm just not going to do it. I recommend you pop some cottagecore on and we can think about things. For reference, this is a book app like Foliate. Foliate is a lovely piece of software that crashes way too much. If I click on this wrong, it will just crash. And I really don't like it. But it's really pretty. It lets me practice my Spanish. So there's that. So, yeah. Ah, I was trying to set up a way to like manage my stream via CLIs because I think Twitch itself is really bloated. I've been unable to do it. I understand this is a wee bit of a tangent almost immediately. But yeah. My hope is that we can get sentence by sentence soon. That's my hope. I'm wondering how to set up like sentence structure and stuff because this is actually like really nice formatting wise, and I don't really know what's happening here. It seems to kind of handle things a bit weird. Um, so yeah, I've done a little bit of coding off stream, mainly because I've just been thinking of things. And that's kind of how programming works is you think of things and then you add them and that's about it. So this is what I have so far. Oh, dev. I think this does things. I hope my stream doesn't just like absolutely kick it because my CPU is gonna be not having a good time. Can you guys read everything that's on my screen? Actually, should I zoom in more? I should zoom in less. I think this is pretty good. It's a little hazy, but whatever. So what it actually is doing, let me just crack open my Twitch stuff. Is, by the way, I'm using Opera. This is not my browser of choice. This is just one of the major browsers. Shut up. This is just one of the major browsers that's Chromium based that I can use to test on. Let's go to localhost colon. I'm pretty sure it's this one. There we go. I wonder why that first load takes a while. So this is the application. I'm using Tauri and stuff. I find it really interesting. This works. Yeah. So what I want to be doing is I want to fix the click-through so that it actually opens the book. I like this progress bar. I like the URL. I'm also going to work on getting Tauri to talk to the application and vice versa. So if we're just doing UI stuff, we're going to be working in just the browser. If we're doing backend stuff, we're probably going to be working in the backend. I am actually not good at this. I don't really know what I'm doing with Tauri. I also have no idea where to put my camera. I think top right is the correct place to put it. I think I like this. No, okay, I don't care about any of this. Yeah. So I added a couple other things. I have a language thing. I implemented a from string. So this all works well. I now need to figure out a book directory. So I'm gonna make a book directory. No. Let's do it like this. Make directory book dir. And name this Eleanor and Park. I love this book, Eleanor and Park. I think it's one of my favorite books recently. There we go. Yeah, yeah. I think this is one of my favorite books as of recent. I need to tell Tauri to look into this directory, so we get to figure out together how that's gonna go. Tauri file. Apparently you just add it to the allow list. And that's it. Note that the allow list scope change is not persisted until the values are cleared. You can save to the file system using the persistent scope. That's interesting. So I need to launch it. I don't think I like that. Can I launch it? Okay, well, I should anyway. Um, how does Tauri configs work? I'll deal with that later. Actually, let's just make it quick and dirty for now. So we made this function called getBook from file name. This uses some iterators just to figure everything out that we need, returns the book. Cool. Now we're gonna get all books from directory. And I want this to take a directory. And I want this to be a directory. I know Rust has a native directory. Yeah, it's just file system. Hello? Oh, I should probably not run everything. I should... Because my system really does not like the fact that it needs to compile so much on the fly. So what I like doing is breaking everything up into subcrates when dealing with a Tauri application and just working on subcrates. Because Rust Analyzer will just like figure everything out and work. Also, I should get rid of my print lns. They are, yeah, goodbye. Goodbye. I don't need book metadata anymore. There's no printing. Cool. So cool. So cool. This should compile. Is this start? Okay. No, it's not. That's weird that it's registering like that. So this is going to be our default dir for now. Is it actually going to be like, no, I want the user to pick where are all of your books stored, but we're going to deal with that later. Use standard file system. Just throw all of that into scope here. Do I just want to take in a string? I mean, the nice way to do it is... Yeah, I'm just gonna take... Whatever. Is it the correct way to do it? Not really. Equal os dot... Yes. What does it say? Use file system read dir. File system. I actually threw everything in scope, didn't I? Let's not. Let's super not. You can go here. Go here. You will live, Mr. Rust. Let's get rid of you. Let's go into Zen mode. I should get like a pop-up that shows like what keyboard combinations I'm doing. Pretty sure you guys can read that at that point. If you guys can't read it, make sure to just scream at me in the chat. I have chat pulled up. read dir. I can just give it a path. Let's just give it directory. Print the debug information in a pretty format, please. I don't need this. I need this, but get all books from dir directory. This. Ah, a little wonky. No, that was correct. No semicolon, please. Are you angry? Sure. Sure. Cargo run, please. Why do you need to compile OpenSSL /genuine? Oh, because it needs to compile a request. I think this should work. This is like glob, really. Okay, cool. How do you work? It is an iterator, so how about all iterator? What are you actually? It is a dir. Can I just not collect into a vec of I don't care? Why are you mad? You shouldn't be. Cargo, please. If this works, this is very exciting. We should be seeing an Eleanor and Park. Cool, cool. Okay, dir entry. Let's just fill. Was it fold? No. There's a thing that you can do to just, I think this does what I think it does. If this works like I think it does, then this should not give me a bunch of OKs. This should just give me directories. There we go, dir directories. Okay, cool. What then I want to do is I want to flatten map x. I just want the file. Returns the full path. Yeah, cool. I just want the path, and then I'm just going to return a vec. Let's just do this. I want a vector of books. I want a result. And instead of unwrap, I want a question mark here. Are you angry? No. Okay, so I can just go, expected. Yeah. So, and then I want to dot. Once I have the path, I want to get book name from directory, and then the file name will just be X. This should work. A path buffer. Can I not into string? Into string lossy? Is that what I want? Can I do this? Will this coalesce itself? Expected string found OS string. What does this need here? Where path P can be a path. I'm gonna change this to accept a path. Okay. This needs to be borrowed, sure. This is a path. So this is still happy because this is still, but I can, this returns a path buffer. So I want to intake a path buffer. Yeah, you're good. Expected string, why? Expected string found path buffer, but I changed it. Oh, I recursive called whoopsie daisy. Consider borrowing here. I will. Welcome to programming, guys. Yeah, I need to return this. This should be a vector of book at this point. When in doubt, just get rid of all the errors. Expected. Okay. Okay. Cool. This should work. Do I have any unwraps actually? Get resource string? When does this error? This will not error ever. This will not error ever. So none of this will error. If there's no p tag, I'm going to expect there is no text at this thing. How odd. Could not make a parser for a p tag. How odd. You should never have unwraps. You should have unwrap or you should have parse or dot expect, because you need to tell whoever is running this code what you are doing. It should not just say unwrap hit goodbye. That's not fun. You should either bubble up errors or handle it if you can. Let's just look for regular unwraps. Okay, cool. We are good. This should compile. This should compile. You might be angry. Why are you angry? This is angry. Can I not convert you quickly to, does this work? Can I just, into path buff. What happens if I do this? Does this do what I think it does? Consider borrowing here. I will. Okay, cool. What this is doing is this is doing something called type coalescing. Rust, this is a static string, but in path buffer land, you can do some interesting stuff to it. So you should hello, goodbye. Yeah. By the way, this means that it works because it just printed all of the data for that book. Uh, you will convert using the into. Yeah. And this borrow means that you don't need to know the size. The internal function doesn't need to know the size. Basically, borrow when you can. It's faster when you borrow. Cloning copies things into memory. That's pretty annoying. And it's slower, but we're in Rustland, so basically everything is fast. So whatever. I don't know why language is unknown. So yeah, I don't like this. This should not be unknown. I want to know what's happening there. Yeah. Let me just print this out. Let's just print the debug information, please, of whatever this is. And then I want you to panic. Yeah, I know code's unreachable. I just want it to stop after I print that because it'll print a lot. Because I want to see what it's getting. I want to see what's happening at this point. You shouldn't be copying and pasting code like this. Oh, interesting. Oh, I didn't change this. Get language, I think. I think that's the metadata. Do I have that file still? It is language. Okay, cool. I think that's just a silly little bug. Tricks are for kids. Yes, I know. Stuff is unreachable. It's like I'm panicking or something. Panic basically just means crash, by the way. It's like exit in Python. Let's just undo all of this. Yeah, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I'm surprised I haven't dropped any frames. I changed my stream quality to be slightly worse. But, that should unbreak itself, please. You should be fine. This just filters out empty chapters, because nobody likes an empty chapter. Language Spanish. Let's go. Big fan. Cool. Cool. This works. So now if I give Tauri a bunch of definitions, it should figure out what to do. So this test works. This is public, right? Yeah, you're public. So there are probably better ways. I could tell Rust to chill out a little bit, but I don't feel like figuring that out. My CPU load is quite high. I don't know what you're doing here. Yeah. I don't need you. My frame rate's hurting. I think it might be worth it to stream at 60 FPS. to stream at 30 FPS or something. I don't think you guys really need each and every frame. It's recompiling everything. Great. Just dandy. Um, Book learner lib. Um, Goodbye. I don't need you. This is the run function. So every function that I run that needs to be run on the front end, I need to generate a handler here. So I'm going to make... How does Tauri want to save states, actually? Tauri save states. Yeah. How do I do this? Can I tell you to not, actually? Yeah, I know what persistent state is. I can key value store some stuff. I don't like that. This is front end. So this is... This is probably what I want to be using. Tauri plugin store. I don't... Ooh, how do I use you? Does this work with Tauri 2? Since most are unstable to install packages, we provide read-only. This makes installation option 2 more ergonomic. Okay, let's... Is there V2? It supports everything. Yeah. Could not. Alright, cool. I can't wait for my thing to freak out. Please do not freak out. That would be nice. I wonder if I'm glitching, actually. I have not checked my stream. This PNP, I'm gonna be mad. No. My encoder is mad. That's for sure. There's a setting that you can enable to prevent streamers from just like cutting out. I wonder if I can enable that real quick, because I kind of want to turn my stream into 60 FPS. Because my laptop is not having a good time. Not in the slightest. Where do I find stream settings? Community content settings. Stream settings. Are you still done? Low latency, sure, that's fine. Copyright, that's fine. Publish files, that's fine. Clip, that's fine. Subscribe only, that's fine. I don't care about raids. I don't care about this. Automatically save VODs, that's for sure. Subscriber only, don't care. Clip this thing. Is it a channel setting? No. No, no, no. This is pretty annoying. Wow. Okay. I hope this is done compiling at this point. Okay, I will deal with you later. Goodbye. Am I in power mode, actually? I am. Okay. Lazy store. Note that values must be Faraday JSON values, otherwise they will not be compatible with the JavaScript binding. Frontend interrupt. Okay, so this is how I use you. Stores are loaded automatically when used from. However, you can load them manually. Modifications made to a store are automatically saved by default. Okay. How do I use you? I can add you as a plugin. Afterwards, all the plugin API are available through the JavaScript. Let's tack on a dot setup. Yeah. Yeah. This loads the app context. Cargo check is going to get angry. Cool. You don't know what JSON is. That's fine. Are you mad that this is not here? Found unit type? What? Where is setup for you? Dot plugin and then immediately. So you have to be like right after. No. Okay. You are angry. Found enum. Uncertain. Okay, sure. Are you okay now? You're more okay. Yes, I want to use Faraday JSON. App.store. No method. There's a method get store. Doesn't make sense. I did not. Ooh. No method named store. Does this modify namespace? Is this what I want? Checking for quick fixes. No quick fixes available still. Coolio. Get the stretch. Got that hard. Oh. Okay, cool. Nope, apparently it works. Alright. That's good to know. How are we doing for time? Alright, cool. I'm gonna run this. Cool. I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna see what happens. What's happening in main? Why are you mad over here? Oh, book data doesn't exist. Lol. Cool. Goodbye. There we go. Try again. Try again. Try again. Do do do. Cool. Now I can't wait for my FPS to drop. Cool. I'm streaming at a solid 50 frames now. There we go. 60 FPS again. But my bitrate's down and my encoder is not having fun. I wish there was a way to tell Cargo not to use all of my threads because other things might be happening on the machine. It would take longer though. I don't know if I want to wait and chat with chat right now. I wonder if there's a way actually to see who is Twitch. See who. I wonder if I can tell who is actually watching the stream, if anybody. Is there a way to do it without going to twitch.tv? Ah, 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 ah. No. Okay, whatever. Twitch. Switch. Let's see. Let's see what the dealio is. It would be kind of funny if it just crashed. Come on, don't crash. Come on. Come on. Don't crash. Come on. Come on. Don't crash. Oh, hey. Here is... That's interesting. This is interesting. I can see who the viewer is. That's cool. I wonder if this is a real account. Yeah. Hello, please compile. This is taking forever, and my computer is not happy about the things that are happening right now. It kind of sucks that we got to do basically no front-end work whatsoever. But I don't know. Them's the way with programming. It's just waiting, waiting, waiting. Do 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 do. Just hanging out. Just waiting for things to compile. File? Really? Get changed so you're mad? Oh, exciting. Exciting. There we go. It launched over here. Now, is there an app.json somewhere? Is there... I don't see that it got generated. Did anything panic? No, nothing panicked. What? App data. I'm looking for an app data.json. Oh no. Oh no. Did it just make one? Creates a store or loads an existing with default settings. Where did it make this? Is it in my home? No. What? Hello? What is happening here? How odd. How odd. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Well, let's work on some UI stuff in the last 10 minutes. Actually, no. Let's make some glue. I'm gonna make a function, and I'm just gonna name it fn get books. You are going to return a vec of book. I really don't like coding in a Tauri workspace. Book path string, because if I do anything more wonky than that, it might just break, lol. Internally, I want to book create : get all books from dir book path. And this should just return dot on wrap. It might be mad about what this book is. So there you go. Try all of that. Does my book object actually have a path? No. Alright, cool. Actually, I should probably lazy load. Well, we'll do it like this for now. We'll see if this actually becomes a problem. If it does, whatever. I will figure it out then. You are now a Tauri thing. Coolio. You are mad because no semicolon. You are now a Tauri thing. So you should make internal functions so that you can like pass it around without like the burden of Tauri, and then just make a little helper for that. Yeah. Greet and get book. Let's see if this works as intended. And then let's go into front end land. Let's look into our documentation here. Tauri greet example. Tauri. Calling rest from the front end. Yep. As long as it implements Saturday serial. My custom command. Yeah. Invoke. Cool. So I can just run. Where am I? I am here. Let's do that. Invoke. Get book. That's the name of the function, right? Get books. There has to be a nicer way to do this. And book path. Invoke message in camel case. So book path will just equal, what's it, ls book directory book dir promised. Yeah, let's just make it quick and dirty for now. What type are you? You don't know. It's a comma, not a colon. This should be send message unknown. How do I type? How do I type things? I know it can. Yeah, you shouldn't error type custom errors. Careful when making. Currently, you cannot simply include borrowed arguments into the signature. This is a limitation tracked here. Oh, I'm in V2. I should be working in V2 land. Quick start, front end. Core concepts. Security, don't care. Develop, don't care. Learn, don't care. Call Rust from front end. Calling Rust from front end. Commands, Tauri, command names must be unique. Yep. You will have to provide a list of commands. I can invoke things. When using frontend to call invoke without arguments, you will need to adapt your frontend code. This is the reason is because okay. Pass arguments. Your command handler can take arguments like this. Camel case. No, you can use snake case with the rename all. I don't think I want to do that, actually. I can return anything that has Faraday. Return values that implement Faraday or serialized into JSON. This can be slow if you try to return a large data file like an HTTP. To return array buffers in it, use the IPC response. Interesting. Okay, so I can use IPC. That's interesting. Asynchronous commands are preferred to Tauri because it doesn't crash everything. Cool. You need to be careful. You cannot just borrow things. Yep. It's not borrowed. Yeah. Wrap it into a result. Sure. Invoke from try. Don't. Tauri channels recommend a mechanism for streaming data like responses. Okay. This is good to know. We might use channels. Creating multiple commands. Yep. Complete example. Tauri type response in front end. All of this should work, so I'm just gonna, while we wait, while we read some docs, just do that. Type response from function in front end type script. Is this not a... Can I not... I just want to mention that TSRS creates TS. Yep. Is this merged? Right above yours. Thanks for referencing this. I'm so Brenovich. So it is this guy. Tauri Spectra is your crate. It utilizes Spectra and then generates individual functions that mirror your thing. Schema to Rust plus TypeScript. Tauri bindgen. RPC. How do I use you? Oh, I don't want to... I was going down this rabbit hole. I don't... Yeah. Use Faraday. I must annotate my commands? What? Why? Oh, hello. Pop up the inspector real quick. Oh, what? Hi, panicked? Did my web view panic? No such file. Yeah. Why? All of that compiling for nothing. Nothing. I'm so glad it existed for like 0.2 seconds. Why? I know I shouldn't do this. Try that. That's the real dir. Wahoo. I wish I had like a huge computation cluster machine that I can just go Rust go and it just works. But no. I'm running a pretty beefy system. I don't know why. Like everything is just gets kind of rough. I might just be cheeky and tell ChatGPT to type everything because the actual responding should be pretty small. I can't wait for this to take forever. Should I play a game on stream while we wait? Is that the move? What's a good game? Let's play Tetris. Oh, okay. That worked. Um, Eleanor and Park cover. Okay, so I can What do you mean object? Okay, cool. So this works as okay, cool. This is great. Cool. So instead of cat, okay, this is good. Um, what I can do is I can run this function. Then message. What do you return as? You turn it as an array with one object. Sure. I can console log it. Yeah, this is just gonna keep popping up, isn't it? And then I can say book books equals this array where it has to have a title colon and then message dot zero. That's not how you index an array. 0 dot. Why are you angry? Messages of type. Wah. Messages of type unknown. Wah. I need to borrow you again. Array of 0. Array 1. Take the first item. Get the title. I think this is how you do this in JavaScript. You're fine. You're fine for now. Oh, and then I need to... Whatever. I finished half the book, sure, whatever. Yeah, you need to do one of these. This works, I think. Did I use lang.ts? Yes, I did. I did expect this to work. Why are you angry? comma, percent finished, colon, this. Okay, it formats. Elinor and Park. Okay. You take the book struct. SRC. HTML. Give data to IMG. I can just give base set base. How to display a base 64 image? I can just set it to SRC. Coolio, get the stretch. Got that Harlem. Alright, cool. Go away. Alright, cool. SRC. That's gonna equal book struct dot src. Is this how I do this in La Java La script? Yes, yes it is. Dot .src does not exist. I bet you are a string, by the way. Check you as one of these. Yep, you are missing a property. SRC equals and by default you're going to do the book image. I think where is it in static? This is where things get exciting. Let's go. Static book jpeg.png. Book jpeg.png. Do this a bunch of times. Do this a bunch of times. Do goodbye. We have a lot of great Gatsbys and nothing else. No. Hi. Hello. Go back. What did I title this? Image. Oh, what was the name that I gave it? I just gave it cover. Okay. Yeah, let's go. It renders. Let's go. Hi. Okay, cool. I'm happy with that. Can I not? Okay, cool. Let's... Okay, I'm gonna cheat. I kind of don't care. Let's cheat a little bit. Hello, Mr. GPT. Can you add types for me? Can you... add types? Okay, you are done. Add types to this TS. Store the types in dot slash types. Let's crack this open. Let's go to this. This is exciting. All right. Book crate, library. This is all of this. Only type don't import in the front end. This is just for TS. Cool. And that function that I called Yeah, this. Yeah. Cool. 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 Will this do what I think it does? Huck this into my types library stores new file types .ts. Huck you all in there. This should just auto format, please. Yep. Cool. That should all work. Can I format you better? You are a real file. Identifier book has already been declared. Book.svelte, where are you? Oh, you're important. I can't just rename you. But what if I can? Book svelte. Wahaha. No. No, I can't be that. Book svelte. S.B. svelte. There. Why is it as any? No. Message. Type. It's a promise of unknown. No, I don't. No, I don't think I like that. It is a type. Book. No. But it. Do really? Is that I can't type it at the variable level? I have to type it here? That's kind of odd. Cool. And then TypeScript doesn't get angry. Well, it kind of gets angry. Book. Why does the word book look so weird? Yeah, book's a million. Book looks weird. Looks so weird. Book so million. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I guess. Book is a type. Use type book. That's fine. Why are you angry? What are you? Struct book. Book Svelte. No. Type book. No. No, I want to use book. So if I want to use book here, yeah. So if I want to use book here, I need to import it here. It's type book. Cool. And then this should book.percent finished. Okay, so I need a way to have a percent finished. For now, I'm just gonna pretend. Yeah. Why is book any here? Console log books. Why can't I just... This doesn't break any of my typing. This works. I can get rid of this. I can get rid of this. As book, console log books. Book struct, where are you? For each book as book struct. Yeah, that should... I hope that gets I hope that gets rid of a lot of junk. Okay. Streaming a little later than I want to be streaming. Oh wow, I've been streaming like an hour and a half. Dang. Alright, cool. As book, but I need a percent finished. For now, I'm just gonna manually set that because I don't know how I want to do that yet. Percent finished equals 0.5. Yep. Yep. Just figure that out. Yep. Do one of these. Yep. Just doing one of these. Cool. This should work, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna scream. Not really. Why are you angry still? No, actually, why are you angry? I don't need you. Oh. Title. Cool. I think that works. Book struct is missing type, but is a required type. Don't care about that right now. Unused import, book crate. Goodbye, you need to recompile anyway. Sure. Alright, this is going to be the last Tauri dev run of the day. Let's get her going. And while we wait, let's do some Tetris online. I wonder if there's a nice Tetris TUI. Yeah, just while we wait. One, go. 3, 2, 1, go. This is very loud. Can I make you not make noise, please? It's very loud for me. I know you guys can't hear it. I don't want anyone to hear this, actually, because I'm pretty sure this music is copyrighted. Woohoo. 3, 2, 1, go. Is this the first time I'm playing Tetris in a large while? Don't worry about it. Don't you worry about a thing. Am I good at it? Sure. Sure. I'm very good at it. I did oh 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Yep. I always forget that I have a peak. Alright, this is going bad. This is going not good. I don't know what's more advantageous. I think this is. Let me go here. I think I want you here. This should make this easier. This should make this easier. I should really be going for Tetrises. I'll just stuff you here, whatever. I am not good at this video game. I guess I'll get better. Hold up. Hold up. I'm a god. No, I'm not. Alright. I like you here. Is this the right orientation? No, it is not. I would like you here. Come on. Yeah, a double. Definitely what you should be achieving for. Here we go. I mean, I don't like any of this. I don't like this. Sure. Not the... Alright, cool. Wrong button. Cool. Have to climb out of the hole I keep digging myself into. I'm getting a lot of line pieces. I don't know the button for hold in this version of Tetris. I think everyone would rage at me if they see the way that I play Tetris. Is this the right shape? It is. That's the right shape for that. Ah, triple! Oh, baby, a triple. Just get rid of it. Sure. That hurts to put there. Come on. Sure. Oh, baby, a single. Ah, fear. Can I T-spin? But can I? Can I T? I can, but I'm stupid. Let's go. Alright, cool. Am I done compiling? No. Okay. I should set up a notification. I can just use notify send, actually. That's probably the nice way to do it. Oh no, I bungled it. I bungled it all. Yay. Oh, it auto pauses. How neat. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Hello? I wonder why this is taking forever. This works. This works without all of the junk. And do I have the full... I do. Okay. Cool. I... What are the actual tiles? Foliate. Mr. Foliate. Let me see. I want to build a... Okay. So... So these titles are wrong. Dedicora. Let me grep for that real quick. Um, Let's see where that word comes up. Grep. What does this do? Book. Dedicicator. Binary file match. Cool. Could you tell me? Could you, I don't know, print it out for me? Am I bad at grep? Alright, cool. Grep for grep in file. Actually, oh, it's a binary. Shoot. Is there an EPUB? Oh, I should not be Googling things on my Firefox. EPUB Explorer. Club metadata explorer. Is this what I want? No. Okay. Everybody dance now. Oh, Bingle Balls, Piano. Book Learner. Just saw the pub. Loading. Alright. Okay, so that's it. I don't get a... Where is chapters stored in EPUBs? Every chapter is a folder, which is named chapter title. No, that's not what I want. Yeah. Okay, so what it's doing is it's taking it from the spine, item reference ID ref. Okay. So what I'm taking is this HTML here, and I actually need the, okay, cool. That's good to know. EPUB unzipper? Can I just use zip in Linux? Yeah, okay, cool. cd book dir ls unzip Eleanor Park ls. Let's mess around a little bit. Let's see what's up. Go away, go away. What's happening here? Why are you opening in Brave? Oh. Goodbye. I don't need you. Okay. That's not what I need. We're just exploring. We're just exploring the EPUB right now, seeing if there's anything interesting. Table of contexts.ncs. Open you with kwrite. Why is everything want to open in a browser? Well, I see the dedicated. Huh. So this is what it's reading. It's a nav point ID. How am I iterating over this? What is doc dot? What are you? A list of nav points. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna start. Todos es mío. It is me. Content, children, play order. Interesting. Interesting. The title, content, pad buffer. Does anything take the pad buffer? Get current path. Get resource by path? Huh. Okay. Let's just add a note here. note look into get resource by path to get the real TOC. Use TOC. Because I literally just extract the content. Interesting. All right, cool. This is good to know. Shout out EDR Labs. Yeah. All right, cool. I think that's going to be all today. It is definitely in this. Item reference, href, cat, hello, full screen, please. All right, some terminal time. Zoom in a little bit. Some terminal time. Cat, OE, table of context. Huh. Is that how that always works? Interesting. Okay, cool. This is one of those. We will see. It might change our parsing data. This might actually change a couple things. So yeah. We're gonna be breaking here. We did some work. We did a lot of faffing about, a lot of reading documentation, some amount of playing Tetris. Yeah. So that'll be all for now, and I will see you next time. And remember, stay learning.